We at Norway Nature Travel gives you all the necessary information to plan a successful trip. We provide detailed maps and pre-programmed GPS units, so all you have to do is enjoy the trip. At the beginning of each trail we've set up boards with maps, route descriptions and images from the trip. All our routes are clearly marked so you can see from one mark to the next, even in changing weather conditions. Diverse nature in Norway offers many opportunities, and it's easy and fun for the children to look for and taste exotic berries like the Norwegian cloudberry. Spectacular view and fresh air makes the food taste extra good. Your route description on the GPS makes it easy and enjoyable to keep track of the trip. Challenging places are made safe and easy to access, so even your children can enjoy the trip by themselves. The nature of Norway offers a lot of different sceneries, and the coastal lines are a big part of the hiking experience. Norwegians take pride in keeping and taking care of cultural and historical important places. We want to show you these places and give you a different cultural experience. In addition to hiking, we offer many other activities for everyone in the family. It's easy to plan activities. The hosts at our destinations provides equipment and tips for you to get the most out of the activities.
this beach down there? Oh yeah, that's gotta be down there. Let's go for it.
We provide hikes with different difficulty levels. The level of difficulty on each trail is easy to find in the information you get from us, so that you can choose a hike that's suited for the whole family.
Are you ready?
Where are we going, Lucas?
Are you ready? Let's go, huh?
The trail markings are easy to spot. To find them is a fun game on the hike.
I think that is a big mountain that is close to where we are. You know that one that goes like that and there? I think that's, yeah.
The weather in Norway changes fast, but that can just be used as an excuse to have a lunch break in pleasant surroundings. Nature changes as you get higher up, and a spectacular view reveals.
These roads were built to lead somewhere, and I was meant to take you there. You can run and you can hide away.
The nature in Norway is clean and healthy, and it's safe to drink the water straight out of most streams and rivers.
Go on, you won't regret it now. Come down and I'll be there. Oh, love, come shining. Though you don't believe that love can shine on one who don't deserve it.
It's rewarding to get to the top and enjoy a magnificent view. On some of the hikes you can take a break at an open cabin to relax and gain strength to the rest of the hike.
Though you don't believe that love can shine on the one who don't deserve it. Oh, love come shining. Though you don't believe that love can shine on.
Norway is famous for its steep mountains, and it's tempting to conquer them. If you're not comfortable to climb them yourself, we can help you with some of the best guides available. They will provide you with the best and safest equipment so you can reach the summit of the magnificent Norwegian mountains safely.